is Salome and I'm here to show you how to cook ugali with kisamvu. Let's go. Okay, I'm going to show you ingredients, and here we have cassava leaves, and we have onions, tomato, we have salt, grinder. I'm going to show how to prepare cassava leaves. Step number 1 is grinding. We're going to grind cassava leaves. I'm continuing to grind until it becomes smooth. And here we use local ways. Process takes time. It is because we use our local tools. See, is grinded. Our cassava leaves must be like this. Like this. The following step is now to cook our cassava leaves. Now we are going to cook. I'm going to put it here. Another step is for cooking. Now we leave it for 10 minutes. If you see like it's dry before 10 minutes, you may add little water. We are going to fry our kisamvu. We are going to put it to the plate. We will saute the onion for 30 seconds. Then we will add tomatoes. And then we will add salt to bring the flavor. After adding oil, now we'll add onion. Now we are going to add tomato and salt. Leave it for 2 minutes or 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, we're going to put our kisamvu. When you reach at this step, you may add peanut butter or coconut if you have. our kisamvu is ready to eat. Now I'm going to show you how to cook ugali. The water should be boiled at 100 centigrade like this. And now I'm going to add maize flour like this. This is a stirring stick. We used it to mix. Then we wait for 5 minutes. After our 5 minutes, now we are continuing to cook our ugali by adding our maize flour like this. Continue to mix it like this. Our ugali become like this, and our ugali should not be too hard and not too soft, like this. At this step, we are going to use a scraper so as to mix our ugali. Our scraper is here, and now we are going to use it. This is our last step. Now we are going to mix it like this. After mixing, we are going to leave it for 5 up to 7 minutes. Now our 7 minutes gone, then we are going to change it to another side like this. Then we will leave it again for 7 minutes. And our ugali is done. And now I'm going to serve our food. I'm starting with ugali. And now I'm going to serve vegetable.
It's so sweet.